Still at the shop. Had a fun day yesterday of going mudding and trail riding. Kind of relieve the stress of all the issues I'm having. So that was a good time. But today we woke back up at the shop. Bunch of junk cars around here. Anyway, got Rusty out walking around in this beautiful, majestic city park. Not really, but gotta get busy today. Start working on the old RV. You can barely see it. See the back of it? That white square right there. Yeah, we gotta get started on today. Get her fixed and lined up. I'd rather be out in the woods or back on the road or somewhere other than here, but I'm thankful to have this place because, like I said earlier, and it's windy and cold today. It's supposed to be 30 tonight. But anyway, like I said earlier, trying to watch Russ getting distracted. Come here, buddy. Ain't no shops on the road that'll touch it, touch an RV, so I'm really thankful to have this spot to come to. So today I'm going to start, once he gets here and opens up his building, start tearing it down, taking it apart, and start working on it. Hurry up and get her done so I can get out there in the woods. Alright, we'll see you guys in a minute. Well, he's put me to work down here at the shop. Happens every time, but working on cars and helping out around here. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm working on. I just woke up, so my brain ain't functioning 100% yet, but rebuilding the engine in this Jeep. Little mud toy. Put a new head gasket in. There's the head gasket right there. Yeah. Fixing to get started on that, get it finished up. Hopefully get mine in. Good morning. Oh, I just woke up. Old Rusty's still laying there trying to sleep. I've been peeling around the van. I had an issue mechanically, worked on it, got the old girl running good, and so we got out of that old garage area and came out to the lake. So this is our view this morning. Woke up, camping here at the lake. Super cold out there. Phone says it's 34 degrees right now, so the wind's blowing pretty good off that water, so I definitely not going outside right now. But let me get woke up. I literally just rolled out of bed. Let me get dressed, get woke up, and we'll come back and maybe take a look at where we're at. Hey, finally got up and got out of the RV. Letting Rusty run around. I don't know if you can see him over there, he's happy. But man, it's cold. What's that goofball doing? Going in circles? Yeah. Right on this water, it's freezing here. We're not in Arizona anymore, I can tell you that. Here's my buddy. Oh, there's my buddy. You just running around. You big old goofball. You big old goofball. Here it is. 28 degrees, freezing. He's running around like we're on a beach in Florida or something. Yeah, I'm having to huddle up beside the RV right here because wind coming off that water is like, you would never hear me anyway. It's probably blowing 10, 15 mile an hour, but I'm fixing to get back in. Even though it's very pretty here, everything's green, trees are budding, it certainly ain't warm, I can tell you that. I haven't been in cold weather since last year, so I'm not used to it. Actually, it was 28 when I got up early this morning. I think it was 33 when I looked earlier. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. But that wind come off that water, man, I ain't trying to do all that. Anywho, peek around the corner here, the wind's gonna be really bad. Old diesel heater, doing good. I got it percolating right now. Kept it nice and toasty in there. It got down to before I went to bed. No, it was actually about 40 something when I went to bed. But I got up in the middle of the night and looked at my phone. It said 28 degrees. Probably about 3 o'clock this morning. I had that old diesel heater set on 15 degrees Celsius, which is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And it was just barely clicking. Clunk, 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 clunk. Nice and toasty and warm in there. Just between this old RV and that diesel heater, it's very easy to keep warm. And I'm sitting right here on the water, so that cold wind was hitting me all night. And it just percolating right along. So I'm thankful to have that, because it would have been a cold morning getting up this morning without that diesel heater. So I'm thankful to have it. Anywho, I think I'm gonna end the old, where you at, Russ? There he is. He's right there. I think I'm gonna end this whole video here. I know it's just a hodgepodge of whatever, but it's been a busy week working on RV and working at the shop from a buddy, trying to help him get caught up. He's just covered up in cars. He's got more things to fix than he needs. He never says no to anybody, so he's got way too many cars down there. He's just buried himself. But we've got a few of them knocked out. I think I did about 3 big jobs for him, and plus worked on mine, which I took mine down there for him to work on, so I don't know how that happened. But either way, I'm thankful. I think I got it lined out. The fuel issue, we're going to see. I'm going to drive it a couple days here, putter around and whatnot, and see what happens. I think I've got it figured out and got it fixed. But anyway, I'm on this video. It's getting long and my hand is cold. So yeah, hope y'all have a great day, and until we see you on the next one, God bless you.